Okay. You can go. I'm videotaping. Hey, Mookie. You're not gonna scrub them?
I am. I'm gonna get them nice and wet.
Mookie, you like that? No, not really. Say, whoa there, you're getting personal.
She always does when she changes the diapers. He was looking under his tail and...
He's like, what is this? Milk. Milk.
Oh, this shirt is inside out and backwards.
He's like, I just put my face in the water and I couldn't breathe. I couldn't breathe it in like I breathe in the air. This is not for life. What is this?
Back to you. Back to you. His big forehead's in the way.
Yeah, I know. That's all you see from over here.
Why don't you move towards Mom?
Okay. I want to, Bear. It's okay.
Oh, his poor bear is now ruined.
That's alright, we got another bear for you.
That one was special because it had a bow.
I'm pretty sure we got one with a bow. Build-A-Bear clothes might fit him.
They're too expensive.
You see, he's got some.
Girl.
Real close.
No, it's not like he can tell.
Mommy Mooster.
How come to your bear if you're that scared? Don't be a whiny baby. I'm joking. His claws are in it. At least he doesn't do what the ferrets do when they hit water. It's the truth. They hit water. They try to climb out, and then you know what? They get back in the water.
There he goes with that mouth thing again.
That looks so weird. I wonder if that means thirsty.
I don't know, it doesn't mean thirsty.
Maybe he's scared. Maybe that's his way of...
Silent screams. See, this is not real.
He said, my bear! It's ruined! I tell you ruined, but I don't care. I care about myself more.
My hair better go back to normal after this.
Bye.
Where's she going?
Out to dinner.
That's not
We won't see him till tomorrow.
Is that supposed to be exciting?
What?
You're till tomorrow?
Yes.
Well, Julia, I guess. Lookster, let me see.
For everybody, I guess.
Okay.